The haunting of Navy Island in the heart of Portland, shrouded in mist and mystery, lies Navy Island, a place whispered about in hushed tones. Legends tell of restless spirits roaming its shores, seeking vengeance for past wrongs. Four friends, drawn by the allure of adventure, embarked on a moonlit journey to Navy Island. Their boat sliced through the murky waters, casting eerie ripples in its wake. As they approached the island, a sense of foreboding gripped their hearts. Stepping onto the desolate shore, they felt the weight of history pressing down upon them. The ruins of an old naval base loomed in the darkness, casting twisted shadows that danced with malevolent intent. But the friends pressed on, their curiosity outweighing their fear. They explored the crumbling buildings, their footsteps echoing like whispers in the night. Suddenly, a cold wind swept through the air, extinguishing their lanterns and plunging them into darkness. In the blackness, they heard the mournful wails of the island's tormented souls. Ghostly figures materialized before them, their eyes glowing with unearthly light. Panic seized the friends as they realized they were not alone. With hearts pounding and adrenaline coursing through their veins, they fled into the labyrinthine corridors of the abandoned base. But the ghosts pursued them relentlessly, their spectral forms twisting and contorting in the darkness. Just when all seemed lost, they stumbled upon an ancient crypt hidden deep within the island. Desperate and cornered, they sought refuge within its crumbling walls, praying for salvation. As the ghosts closed in, their ghastly forms flickering in the dim light, the friends huddled together, their breaths shallow with fear. But then, as if by some miracle, the ghosts halted their advance, their ethereal cries fading into the night. Dawn broke over Navy Island, casting its golden rays upon the trembling friends. With trembling hands and hearts still racing, they emerged from the crypt, grateful to have survived the night. But as they sailed away from the accursed island, they couldn't shake the feeling that they had narrowly escaped the clutches of something far more sinister than mere ghosts. And so, the legend of Navy Island lived on, a cautionary tale whispered in fear and reverence by those who dared to venture too close to its haunted shores.